In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail to GoHighLevel. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, your Gmail will be connected and ready to send emails directly through your GoHighLevel account. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is the main dashboard you see when you first sign in. If you're not already there, you can usually get back to it by clicking the logo or home area in the top left. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where you want Gmail connected, because these settings apply at the location level. From the Launchpad, look for the menu option labeled Settings. It's typically found on the left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you manage all the technical pieces for your account, including email. Inside the Settings area, find and click on Email Services. This section controls which email providers are hooked up to your GoHighLevel account and how outgoing emails are sent. Once you're on the email services page, look for a button that says Add Service. Click on that. This opens up a form where you can choose which email provider you want to connect. You'll see a drop-down labeled SMTP Provider. Click on that drop-down to see the list of available providers. From the list, select Gmail. Choosing Gmail tells GoHighLevel that you'll be sending emails through a Gmail or Google Workspace address. After selecting Gmail, you'll see fields where you can enter your Gmail login details. In the email field, type in the Gmail address you want to use for sending emails. Double check that you're using the correct address, especially if you manage multiple inboxes. Next, in the password field, type in the password associated with that Gmail account. Make sure you enter it carefully, and remember you should only do this on a secure, trusted device and network. When both the email and password are filled in, click on the Save button. This tells GoHighLevel to store those details and attempt to connect to your Gmail account. After you click Save, there's one final step. You'll need to go over to your Gmail account and complete a quick two-step verification or security confirmation process. This might be a prompt asking you to confirm that it was you who tried to sign in, or a code sent to your phone or backup email. Follow the prompts from Google to approve the connection. Once that verification is done, your Gmail will be successfully integrated with GoHighLevel,